Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hanif Syahrozi, with study number 234 101, and my lecturer Mr. Rahmat Hidayat, SPD MSI. Now I want to present my PowerPoint. Let's get straight to the material, Map of Physics. Classical Physics. So physics is a big subject that covers a lot of different topics. Physics can be divided into three, namely classical physics, quantum physics, and relativity. But from the basis of classical physics, physics is increasingly developing into relativity, and quantum is developing into relativity and quantum physics. Relativity. The theory that deals with velocity and acceleration, which are measured differently through a frame of reference. The basic concepts of theory of relativity were arranged by Albert Einstein into two types, namely the special and general theories of relativity. Next, general theory of relativity. General relativity is a theory of gravity developed by Einstein in 1907 until to 1915. The development of general relativity began with the principle of equivalence, when states of motion are accelerated and at rest in a physical identical. Next, special theory of relativity. The theory of general relativity is a theory about the structure of space-time, introduced by Einstein in his work in 1905. Special relativity shows that if two observers are in an inner frame of reference and moving at the same speed relative to another observer, then the two observers cannot conduct an experiment to determine whether they are moving or at rest. Next, quantum physics. Quantum physics is the study of the behavior of matter and energy at the molecular, atomic, nuclear, and microscopic level, and even smaller. Quantum is a direct translation of quantum, which comes from Latin, which means how much. Next, atomic theory. Atomic theory is the essential theory that matter is composed of particles called atoms. According to this idea, if one were to take a lump of matter and catch even smaller piece, one will eventually reach a point where the piece could not be further cut into anything smaller. 1. The concept of John Dalton atomic theory are follows. Atoms are the smallest part of an element and cannot be divided further. Atoms of the same kind have the same properties, while atoms of dissimilar elements have different properties. In a chemical reaction, atoms combine or separate. 2. In the early 20th century, Joseph John Thomson described atoms of balls of bread topped with raisins. The sphere is solid and positively charged on its surface. 3. Rutherford's model of the atom was proposed by Ernest Rutherford in 1911. In this atomic theory, each atom contains a positively charged nucleus with electrons revolving around in its orbit. 4. Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr atomic theory can explain the expression of the excitation energy when electrons move in atom. Reporting from the Encyclopedia Britannica, Bohr explained that atoms absorb and emit radiation only when electron jumps between primitive states. Next, nuclear physics. Nuclear physics is the study of the atomic nucleus, as well as charge in the atomic nucleus. In nuclear physics, a nuclear reaction is a process in which two nuclear particles collide to produce products that differ from the initial products. Next, particle physics. Particle physics is the branch of physics that studies the property of the particles that make up matter and radiation. At work, the word particle can refer to many different types of very small objects. Particle physics is usually. Next, condensed physics. Condensed matter physics is a field of physics that deals with the macroscopic physical properties of matter. In particular, it deals with the condensate phase, the matter which appears when the number of constituents in a system is very large and the interaction between these constituents are strong. Next, the Standard Model. The Standard Model of particle physics is a theory that describes the fundamental force of electromagnetism, the work force, the strong force, and also the elementary particles that make up all matter. Next, the chance of ignorance. William explained that physics are still studying how to join together quantum physics and the general theory of relativity. In the future, he suggests science will close the chance and come with all-encompassing theory. Called quantum gravity. Researchers have already experimented with string theory and loop quantum gravity, but there is more work to do. Next, the philosophy of physics. Philosophy of physics is an interdisciplinary science that studies physics based on the conceptual interpretation of matter of wave, space and time, and reality. Next, future. 1. Quantum gravity. Quantum gravity is a field of theory physics that attempts to explain gravity according to the principle of quantum mechanics. When quantum effects cannot be ignored, for example, dense astrophysical objects that are close together, where gravitational effects are very strong. String theory physics. String theory is theoretical framework in which the chain strings. String theory describes how these strings propagate through space and interact with each other. The string theory is a theory quantum gravity. B. Loop quantum gravity. Loop quantum gravity is a physical theory that aims to explain the quantum properties of gravity. It is also a quantum theory of space-time because based on the general theory of relativity. 2. Dark energy. Its cosmology, dark energy is a hypothetical form of energy that fills the entire space and has a strong negative pressure. According to the general theory of relativity, the effect of the existence of negative pressure is qualitatively similar to having a force on large scale acting in the opposite direction to gravity. 3. Dark matter. Dark matter is that cannot be detected by radiation its emission or the absorption or radiation coming into it, but its presence can be proven by the gravitational effects of visible matter such as stars and galaxies. That's the only material I can present. Hopefully it's useful. Thank you for watching. I'm Hanif Shahrazi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.